I am Hindavi. My project name is dhoop sticks. For that we will need some ingredients like camphor, cow ghee, loban, cloves, sandalwood powder, cocoa peat, nirmalya and some coal. First of all, we will take some ingredients like camphor, loban, cloves, cocoa peat, nirmalya and some coal, and we will grind it in the mixer. And after that we will take colander and we will filter it properly. After that we will put in that some sandalwood powder and we will mix it properly. After that we will put in there some cow ghee and then we will make its ball, and how much size you want, that much size you can take and make its dhoop sticks. Remember one thing, that in the shop we get the dhoop sticks, in that some chemicals are used, and this homemade dhoop sticks, in that no chemicals are used, and because of the camphor and cloves the mosquitoes will not come in your house, and it is very much nice and excellent smell in this homemade dhoop sticks. I have made these dhoop sticks. Now I will set on fire. Wow, the smell is very much excellent. And never forget to put in that this dhoop sticks, camphor and some cloves. Because of this both cloves and camphor, mosquitoes will not come in your house.